How to turn off location on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off location on your Google Chrome so the old sites can see your location. First thing, go to your Google Chrome and click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Now click on location and turn off this option. And this is it. You choose if you want to turn on or off this option. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.